H&N Crafts.
Hey friends, welcome back to H&N Crafts, and in today's video we are creating this super cool card. It is a very unique card and it doesn't look like a card. It actually represents a coat print suit and a bouquet, but you won't believe it, it is a card. When you will slide it out, you will see the wishes anyone has written for you, or you can also gift it to anyone else. You can gift it to any boy like your father or your brother or anyone else. I really love this, so let's move on to how to make it. Guys, congratulations, and at last our craft is ready. You can see how beautiful it looks. I am totally loving it, and I have actually created this for my brother, and I hope he'll like it because it really is so unique. First of all, he will not figure out that what it is because it doesn't look like a card, does it? No, not at all. It actually looks like a cute bouquet, as it is really fun to hold. It is made out of paper, not out of flowers and plants. Don't think the real bouquet, but it really looks like a real bouquet. Why? Because it is so colorful and the flowers really give it a nice cute look. I am totally loving it. The best thing about it is that it is really unique and is really fun to hold. Now, how it is a card that when you will slide the thing out, you will see the birthday wishes and you will figure out that it is a card. You can even write birthday wishes on the back, on the front if you have got a lot of wishes. Actually, today's video is going to be a little bit longer than my usual videos. Why? Because in today's video, I give you two tutorials. First tutorial was that how to make this beautiful card. Second tutorial was how to make the flowers. The flowers are really amazing. You can store them in your decoration boxes, and when you have another card to make or any other decoration piece, you can easily stick them. If you like my crafts, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment.